So I was goofing off and I broke my toe. That's what happens when you're playing around and you don't watch where you're going. And so right now I'm kind of limping a little funny.
A little bit, yeah.
I mean, it feels a lot better today, but for the last couple days, oh.
Has not been fun, huh?
Yeah, it has not been fun.
No.
But we're the Puzzle Couple.
And we're back.
With a new puzzle.
Yeah.
Or rather another puzzle.
Another
not
puzzle.
Really new.
New to us, but not new.
I was seeing, it looks like somebody named Matt and somebody named either Penny or Danny did the puzzle before us. So, can you tell?
Nope. Or Pam? I don't know. Yeah. Oh, no, there we go. It's a Penny.
Penny.
Matt and Penny. I wonder if they did it together.
I know, what a cute name.
Mm-hmm.
I love when people like push their names together, but
like Angelina Jolie and
yeah, like how did they do that?
Brangelina,
yeah, that was cute. Yeah. That was cute.
Okay.
But I don't know if that would really work with us. We could try.
I'm
gonna goof around.
I think that's not. They don't make that name.
Oh, other people make that name? Oh, okay, never mind.
I don't think we're supposed to make that name for ourselves. So, anyhow, this is the puzzle. As a Cra-Z-Art 300-piece Puzzlebug. This one, does it have a name on it? Oops, that's upside down. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really read.
Fresh fruits.
Fresh fruits.
It looks exotic.
It actually looks like it might be kind of hard with all the, the yellows and the other colors. A lot of them are kind of the same, so this might not be as easy as what you think it is. Even with it being only 300 pieces. I know. I'm a little nervous about that, but you guys saw this. This is really cute. I'm going to say that this, like you said, even at 300, it's probably going to be a bit of a challenge. Yeah, especially for us. So, what can you say?
Oh man, we're so in trouble if we ever. People keep asking us if we're going to do a puzzle challenge.
Yeah.
But
probably not.
Yeah,
I don't know anybody that want us on that team. So
I know everyone else. Like people are trying to build teams around us so that we would have a team, but I think you and I might be like the weakest link.
We would be the bad ones, yeah. We'd be the ones.
They'd be like, get out of our way.
Exactly. It would not be interesting for them. I don't think so.
But you guys, check us out. At the end, we give our opinion. Mm-hmm. Puzzlebug and Cra-Z-Art. I do think you can get Cra-Z-Art just about anywhere, but like the Puzzlebug ones, you can get at Dollar Tree. Yeah. I don't know what the prices are anymore on Dollar Tree.
I know everything's gone up.
But but this little guy I think was either $1 or $1.25 when it was purchased. Mm-hmm. Again, we didn't buy it, so I hope all the pieces.
It's been around from somewhere.
Yeah, I mean, look at the
box has been...
And it's been taped a million times over.
Yeah.
But you guys, we love doing puzzles, and this is the cheapest way for us to do them. To get them. People just donate them to us.
Unless I was going to say, either we buy them at a cheap price or people donate them to us. So... We do have a couple of new ones coming.
We do.
That were actually new.
Yeah.
And they were donated to us.
Yeah, and to the people who are thinking about starting a puzzle channel, do it.
Yeah.
Do it and let us know. Yes, we love puzzles. I love seeing different brands that, and then I'm on the lookout for that. So definitely do it and let us know if you do it because we would love to watch your videos.
Yep.
So you guys have a great day, and check us out at the end.
Bye.
Bye. listen to a lot of music to get that going, and then sometimes I dance.
Oh, and it helps?
It does. It helps get my energy out. So, you guys, welcome back. We did it, of course. It was a small puzzle.
Yeah.
But I think like the hardest part might have been the bananas.
Yeah, the yellow was probably the hardest part of it. I mean, the pieces aren't like huge, not like one of the last ones we did where the pieces were like this big. These were more normal pieces, but definitely a smaller puzzle.
There for this one there was no puzzle dust, but this puzzle has been done like a lot, so that might also contribute to why there's no dust on it.
Yeah, could be.
I saw, because like in here people write their names, and then somebody wrote their names on here. Yep. So it's been done.
It's been done a bit, yeah. So I don't know where we actually got this one from. I think we might have got it from one of the other people.
Yeah, the Arizona exchange that we do with Arizonans. But what was I going to say? Puzzlebug, it's a cheaper puzzle. So the pieces are really thin.
Yeah. They don't hold together super well. I mean, they're still good, don't get me wrong, but they don't hold together like some of the other ones do.
Yeah. So, I'm trying to think what I can really... I had something that I wanted to say, and then it completely slid from my mind. Probably while I was dancing.
Could be. You'll think of it after we're done.
I know, and then I'll have to, like, put that in the notes. Yeah. But, so Puzzlebug is, like, one of the cheaper puzzles, but... if you want something that's just fun, because this was fun, and it took
a quick and fun type of thing, yeah. Puzzlebug's always a good one, and you can get those at usually Dollar Tree or whatever. Sometimes they have like 300 pieces, 150. They have some 500s every once in a while.
Once in a while, you can get a 500 there.
Yeah. So.
But so run on down to your nearest Dollar Tree and get yourself a puzzle. No, I don't know. I'm kidding, you guys. But anyways.
You can if you want.
Yeah. But happy puzzling.
All right. Bye, guys.